Hello, today we are looking at continuous delivery with Google Cloud Deploy. So let's go ahead and open our Cloud Console and we activate our shell. We'll give that a couple of seconds to load. In the meantime, what we want to do is to copy this command right here. Let's authorize this. Alright, so we're going to run that command here. We're going to run this command also. Let's copy and run this command when this command here is done. Okay, so we paste this in here and run. Let's copy this command. Okay, I think we're done with these tasks. Let's go over to the next one. We copy this command and we are going to run this. We run this command also. So we copy and paste and run. Let's go ahead and check our progress to see how we're doing. And that is because this command is not done running, so we have to wait for it to run completely before we check our progress. Okay, that is done, so let's go ahead and run. Let's check our progress just to be sure that we've done everything we needed to do in that task. Alright, so everything for that task is done. Let's go over to the next task, and that is to run this command right here. So we'll copy and paste this. So we copy this string right here where we need it. So we open an editor. Let's wait for this to load completely. Okay, so this is done. Let's go ahead and so open up Cloud Code. So we're going to create a new Google project, and we select and paste this. Let's select this. Now let's start running the command. So paste the command here and we'll run it. We'll copy this command also. We'll paste the command here and we'll run. Let's copy this. We'll paste this in. We'll copy this. We'll paste this in here also. Let's copy this. I'll paste this in here. Let's copy these. Okay, so we'll run this command. Have we run this? Okay, we need to run this. Let's wait for this to finish running. So we'll run this command also. Let's run this script. So copy and paste and run this. Let's go ahead and see how it would do. Okay, that is fine. So let's go to the 5th task. Let's paste in this script, and we're going to need to run this command when this is done. So copy and paste this in here. While that is running, we want to open the delivery pipeline.yml file and run the script there. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this command and this command also. So wait for this to load. Let's copy this and run this command. You want to copy and let's copy this. Wait for this to finish running. Okay, so let's run that. Let's go down here and we copy this. So we'll wait for this to finish running. So we'll copy this command here and we want to paste it in here and run it. Scroll up Let's run the last command in this task, and we run this. Okay, this is done. Let's go ahead and check our progress. Let's copy this and run. Let's copy these and we'll run this in here, and we'll go ahead and check our progress to see how we're doing so far. Let's copy this. Let's copy this command and run this. Let's copy this. And we'll wait for the status. So wait for it to finish running completely. Might take a couple of minutes or more depending on your network and the server, but we'll just wait for it to finish so that we can continue with our task. So we'll go over here, we select this, copy this, and we run this. So we're going to press Y and hit enter to confirm that we want the change to take place. Okay, so that is done. We go ahead and check our progress. So let's continue with our tasks. We'll copy these. Let's copy these. So we'll wait for the changes to take place before we continue. So you can see that it changes. This is still in progress. We'll just give it a few minutes to do that. So meanwhile, we need to copy and run this. when the current task is done. Alright, so this is done. Go ahead and copy this and we paste this in here. So for this, we're going to type in Y and press enter. Go ahead and copy this. So this is done. Let's copy and paste this in here. Scroll down, run this command, paste this in here and we'll run it. So go ahead and run this command also. So wait for this to load completely. Let's run this command. So we'll run this. I think we're almost done with our task. Yeah, but we need to wait for this command to finish running. Okay, so this is done. So go ahead and check our progress to see how we're doing. So I'll copy and run this. Okay, this is done. Let's go ahead and check all our progress and see how we do. And everything is correct 100%. If you find this video helpful and need further assistance, reach out to me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.